Heading to the airport? Let's dive into the English you'll need for your adventure. So, are you a little nervous about it? Totally normal. But don't worry, we're here to help. Okay, so it all starts at home. Let's talk about your bags. You'll probably have two kinds. First up is your big bag. We call this a suitcase. Quick tip, don't overpack it. And your small bag? That's your carry-on. You literally carry it onto the plane with you. You'll also need your passport and ticket. Your ticket is probably on your phone, right? Once you're at the airport, look for the big departure screen. It tells you where to go. At the check-in counter, someone will ask for your passport. It's good to have it ready. Next, they'll weigh your suitcase. If it's too heavy, you could face an extra fee. Ouch. Then they'll ask you this, window or aisle seat. So you've got a decision to make. A window seat has great views of the clouds, but an aisle seat is super convenient. Your choice. After that, you get your boarding pass. This is your ticket to get on the plane. Don't lose it. Okay, next up is the security check. Now, this part can feel a little stressful, but it's easy. It's pretty straightforward. Just remember to take your laptop and tablet out of your bag. Oh, and a quick reminder about liquids. Remember, no big bottles in your carry-on bag. Once you're through security, you're in the departure lounge. Now you can finally relax and wait. Uh-oh, sometimes you'll see this word on the screen, delayed. So what does that mean? It just means the plane is going to be late. Maybe because of the weather, so you'll have to wait. But then you see this, boarding. That's great use. It's time to head to the gate. Once you're on the plane, find your seat. Your carry-on goes in the overhead bin. When you land, an officer might ask about your trip. I'm here on vacation is a perfect answer. Almost done. Now you head to baggage claim to pick up your big suitcase from the carousel. And just like that, you've done it. Let's quickly go over those keywords one more time. So now you've got the vocabulary down. The only real question is window or aisle next time.